So this is the Arduino circuit number 6 out of the book. This is using a piezo element, which is this guy here, to produce sound. So as you can see, it's a very simple circuit. We have the ground hooked up to the ground, which I just bypassed this because we're only going to one device. And then we have the controlling power from the Arduino out of pin number 9. So basically what this does is the Arduino code has a whole bunch of different tones programmed into it to where they are now beat. So each beat is a different tone, and it will give this a code to where it tells it what beat it wants to play and for how long, and if it's high or low beat. So now I'll plug it in and we can listen to what it does. Circuit number 6. This is the code behind the speaker and how it works. So first we have the initial frequency or the tone and how it gets it. So this is the equation of the tone and then, or so-called the note. So down here we have all of the notes: C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. And this is the frequency, the period, and the time high. So by using this equation up here, we can get all of this information to get the tones for our music. So, sorry, this is the pin. So it's connected, the speaker is connected to pin 9. The number of tone, or the length of the script, so to speak, is 15 tones. The configuration of the tones is as such right there. So that's the tone, or the basically your sheet music, if you will. This is the number of beats per note. So each note will have, the first note will have one beat, second note, or first note will have one beat, second note will have one beat, and so on and so forth. This is the tempo, or the amount of the tempo of how it's going to play it. This is the code, or the program that's going to run it, the play tone. So we have the long of I equals 0, and this is the duration, and then this is the tone and how many times it's going to play. So this is the speaker on high, so the output from the Arduino is going to tell it to turn on. Delay the milliseconds between turning it on and turning it off, and then delaying it again. So this is going to be the play note. So this is the tone, the note, and then the duration. So the char names are all of these. The tones are put in here from the list up here. So then we tell it to play the corresponding tone for each note. So if this is what it's saying is, this is a certain note, play this tone that corresponds to that note, which we defined in these 2 lines of code here. Then it plays the note for the duration. This is the output to the speaker. This is the other loop to tell it to basically stop what it's doing, reset, delay, so before it starts again, and then it'll go into another set as long as the Arduino is plugged into power. And this is the delay between notes, given the tempo that we're running it at.